Hello spice lovers, welcome to my channel Wish Upon a Spice. I'm Rameez and I'm here to review a new product from Tata Q's Cheesy Chicken Pasta. This bad boy comes with a lot of bells and whistles. The first thing that strikes you is the fact that it can be made ready in just 60 seconds. Yes, what it claims that you need to put this in the microwave and it is ready to eat in just 60 seconds. Apart from that, it has a very impressive price tag of 125 and it has a shelf life of 12 months. All that being said, however, there's one catch: the ratings that it is getting is not very encouraging. In fact, it has a very dismal rating of 2.6 in Big Basket when I checked in the morning today. I am a little skeptical about this particular product because anything which is made with flour and is kept in a gravy, it is bound to get soggy and it is bound to be soft. However, the processed food industry has gone leaps and bounds, and it would be unfair on my part to actually go and just comment without unboxing this and without tasting this. So let's go to the kitchen and let's try this out.
Alright, so let's do the unboxing. This is TataQ's Cheesy Chicken Pasta once again. It is very well packaged, and at the back we have all the informations like the ingredients that is there, the process in which it needs to be cooked, the calorie content. It says that it has 108 calories for 100 grams and is a 305 gram package, so it would have approximately 330 calories. So it mentions again that it can be ready in just 60 seconds. The easiest way is to peel off this wrapper and put it in the microwave and steam it for 60 seconds. Other option is that you boil up some water in a stove and you immerse this for around 3 minutes. So along with the box you also get some seasoning, a napkin and a fork, which is really convenient and handy. Okay, so the first thing I can say about this is I can really smell the black olives, and there is a lot of sauce. In fact, it seems like it is swimming in sauce. And it has chicken sausages, so it is not the regular chicken that I thought it might have. That's fine, but it seems that there are very few sausages, and I can actually count it. It is 4 pieces of sausages. Wow. And I think there is a similar number of olives as well, so around 4-5 slices of olives. And well, by the look of it, the pastas are really soft and squishy and soggy and overcooked. And I'm sorry to say, but I still have my teeth and I would really want a pasta with some bite. This is not what I was expecting. I knew there is a possibility that this would happen because you have a lot of sauce and you have pastas in it for a long period of time. It is bound to absorb the moisture, and it is supposed to be like that. But I'm sorry, if I'm paying for this, I'm not having this. No ways. Okay, for the sake of the review, I'm still going to taste it and I'm going to tell you how it tastes, but give me a moment please. Well, the first impression that I have after tasting this is that it's definitely not cheesy. Creamy to some extent, yes, because of the consistency, but it's not cheesy at all. I mean, it tastes quite synthetic and artificial.
Well, I'm back and I already tasted this particular product. Somehow I think I would not want to recommend this to anyone. This needs to be severely reviewed, and the product needs to be improved, or else it will be another product which is set up for failure. All that being said, this is my personal opinion, and I don't mean any offense towards anyone. It kind of reminds me of the story of mayonnaise. I mean, the mayonnaise that you really use in the industry across the world now is the synthetic mayonnaise, and it doesn't taste anything like the real mayonnaise. And the sauce, when I had this sauce, the sauce didn't taste cheesy at all. It did not taste like white sauce. To be very honest, the real white sauce is quite different. And personally, I feel that anyone who wants to have a decent pasta can make a much better pasta within just 15 minutes using fresh ingredients from scratch. So if you want to learn that, why don't you join with me in the kitchen, and I'm going to try and make a pasta within 15 minutes from scratch using fresh materials, and I can guarantee you that is going to taste much better than this, and it's going to cost probably 1/4 the price that you're going to pay for this. And the best part about that is that this pasta that I'm going to cook, you can actually put this in an airtight container or in a Tupperware box, and you can put it in a freezer and then use it whenever you want. Alright, let's head to the kitchen and make our very own version of cheesy chicken pasta.
So to start this pasta, we're going to put some water for boiling, and we're going to heat up a pan to make this sauce. To make the white sauce, we're going to start by making the roux, and for that we're going to put 1.5 teaspoon of butter, and to that we're going to add 1.5 teaspoon of flour, and we're going to whisk it together so that they come together. To this we're going to add 250 ml of full fat milk. In case you do not have full fat milk, then you can always increase the amount of butter, because for a good rich creamy white sauce, the fat content is important. Go easy on the salt because we're going to add cheese later. And for the pasta boiling liquor, we want the water to be really salty because we want the pastas to absorb the salt, and this will really enhance the flavor of the pastas later. Once your water has come to a rolling boil, it's time to add the pasta. I have added around 100 grams of pasta. Now we're going to season the white sauce with some Italian seasoning, the recipe of which is there in the description box, and we are also going to add some black pepper. If you wish, you can also use white pepper. In another pan, we're going to add some oil, and we're going to add some chopped onion and some chopped garlic, and saute that till they are translucent. To this we're going to add some diced chicken. I've used chicken breast over here, and it generally takes around 30 seconds or 40 seconds to get cooked. We're going to add some veggies now, and we're going to add some sliced bell peppers and some sliced mushroom. Now we're going to add the pasta, and if you have noticed before, we have not used any oil while boiling the pasta, because if you are not storing the pasta and if you are using directly, it is better this way, because your pastas are then going to absorb all the flavors, and this is going to give you a much tastier pasta. So add the sauce, and we're going to add a little bit of more flavoring. So to this we're going to add a little bit of chili flakes, and we're going to add some more Italian seasoning. And obviously, since it's a cheesy pasta, we have to add some grated cheese. I would suggest some hard cheese like Parmesan if you can get hold of it. But if you do not have that, you can always add some processed cheese. Once you have added the cheese, give it a good stir and let the pasta soak all the flavors and goodness of cheese and the sauce and the different flavors that is there already in the pasta. And now it's time to serve. Make sure you have it hot, because there's no fun having it cold, isn't it? I like a little bit of flaky cheese right on top of my pasta once it's plated up. So I'm going to add some grated cheese on top. And if you've really enjoyed this video, and I'm sure that you have, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and do subscribe to our channel for new videos every week. Thank you for watching. Till next time.